Cinematic black bars are one of the simplest ways to give videos a movie-style look. First, open Adobe Premiere Pro and import the footage you want to edit. Now drag the video clips onto the timeline to create a sequence. Most cinematic black bars are created using widescreen aspect ratios like 2.35 to 1 or 2.39 to 1. To apply black bars across multiple clips easily, create an adjustment layer from the project panel. Now open the Effects panel and search for the crop effect. Drag the crop effect onto the adjustment layer instead of directly onto the video clips. Inside the Effect Controls panel, increase the top and bottom crop values equally to create cinematic black bars. And that's your full guide on how to add cinematic black bars in Premiere Pro in 2026. Hopefully now you have a clear understanding of how to create a more dramatic and cinematic film look using Premiere Pro.